food lovers! Today, it's my great pleasure to show you one of Italy's most iconic dishes, lasagna. I've been obsessed with this dish ever since I watched Garfield swallow whole trays of it on the Saturday morning cartoon. A lasagna basically consists of sheets of pasta dough interleaved with meat or vegetable fillings. But it has evolved into a versatile dish with countless regional and international variations. Traditional Italian lasagna often features bolognese sauce and a combination of bechamel and Parmesan cheese. But now some people also incorporate seafood and even dessert-like ingredients. Today, I'm going to show you the vegan version, of course. For this recipe, the ingredients are 2 tablespoons of olive oil for frying, 1 red onion finely sliced, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 4 sticks of celery finely sliced as well, 1 medium aubergine cubed, 1 courgette cubed, 4 cups or 650 grams of vegan mince, alternatively, used mushrooms or lentils, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 heaped tablespoon of mixed herbs, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of cracked black pepper. Then, for the bechamel sauce, you need half a cup of vegan butter, half a cup of flour, 4 cups of vegetable milk, 1 onion peeled and cut into 8, 1 bay, a pinch of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. And finally, for the pasta, you need 1 pack of dried lasagna sheets. So, once you have all that, let's cook. First up, you need to infuse the milk for the bechamel. In a medium saucepan, add the milk followed by the onion, bay, nutmeg, and seasonings. Place the saucepan over low heat and stir every now and then. For the ragu, in a large saucepan placed over medium heat, add the oil followed by the onion, garlic, celery, and a pinch of salt. Sweat the mix down for around 3 minutes. Then, add the courgette, aubergine, and mixed herbs. Turn the heat down lower, pop a lid on, and allow the mix to cook for 4 minutes. Add the vegan mix and stir well. Cook for 3 minutes. Later, deglaze the pan with balsamic vinegar and chopped tomatoes. Stir in the tomato puree, then pop the lid on and let the mix cook over low heat for 15 minutes. For the bechamel, in a saucepan, add the vegan margarine and place the pan over low heat. When the margarine is melted, add the flour. Using a spatula, mix well. Cook the mix whilst stirring for a couple of minutes to cook out the flour. It should resemble a paste-like consistency. Gradually whisk in the infused milk, a little at a time. Once you've added all the milk, the bechamel should be creamy. If you want to make it cheesy, add vegan cheese and nutritional yeast. Later, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Build your lasagna in your oven-proof baking dish, a layer at a time. I like to do ragu, bechamel, then pasta sheets. Repeat this until you have filled your dish, making sure the top layer is bechamel. Finally, bake the lasagna in your oven for 45 minutes. That's it. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. If you want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Ciao amici.